let us see if ChatGPT can solve day 18 of advent of code. So I'll take the problem description and say, please solve the following problem. Input file is attached. So let's attach the input file, get it here. That's the problem. And we will see what happens with ChatGPT. Oh, wait. Didn't attach the file. Or did it? I didn't like this message. Exactly. I wasn't able to upload it. So let's see if now is... Oh, wait. We have trouble uploading the file. That is unfortunate. So maybe let's send it to a zip file. Maybe it's gonna be better that way. Let's attach the zip file. Okay, now we get it. Interesting error. I haven't seen that before, but it seems now it works. So, right. So it's simulating the first 1024 bytes with the right grid size. That's good. And finding shortest path. So hopefully we should be getting the right solution here. 322 is correct solution. All right, so let's see the second part of the problem. Please solve the following events. Okay. First blocking byte. Okay, so now trying to find the first byte that blocks the path. And apparently it's trying to just brute force it, trying every single byte as it falls, which is probably not as efficient as it could be, but may not be as bad either, because the file is not that huge, I guess. Still, it should be doable. So 60 and 21, which is correct. Okay, so ChatGPT did solve day 18 of advent of code without any trouble, and it was first try for both parts of the problem, which is pretty cool. All right, so we'll see each other for the next days, and until then, have a great day.